An update to a story that we've been working all week long. Rhode Island's assistant U.S. attorney is now charged with drunken driving.
Gerard Sullivan was pulled over in Warwick on Thanksgiving morning, but had only been charged with failing to submit to a breath test. Now he's expected to face new charges this afternoon. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly live in Warwick now with reaction from the city's police chief.
Yes, it's a major reversal. A federal prosecutor is now charged with the criminal offense of driving under the influence, not just the lesser civil charge of refusing a breath test. Exactly a week later, federal prosecutor Gerard Sullivan is in much bigger trouble than he was in at first, and the Warwick Police Department is getting itself out of its own mess.
There's more than sufficient probable cause to show that there was DUI for observation. So we're bringing forth the additional charge like we should have done last Thursday morning.
Should have done, and why did that not happen?
Well,
initially.
Here again, I don't know that.
Warwick Police Chief Stephen McCartney is now conducting an internal investigation into what went wrong, into why Gerard Sullivan was charged only with refusing a breath test, even after the police observed impaired driving early Thanksgiving morning. The Warwick police have come under heavy criticism for failing to charge the federal prosecutor with DUI, since all 7 of the other drivers charged with refusing a breath test over the Thanksgiving weekend also were charged with DUI.
The more serious issue here is the issue of whether preferential treatment was given to Mr. Sullivan by virtue of his position, and that's something that the investigation has to try to determine whether in fact that had any influence on the final decisions that were made.
On the basic smell test, Colonel,
yep.
Right now, from what you know, does it smell funny? Does it look as though, in your mind, he got preferential treatment?
I can't speak to that right now.
As the internal investigation here at the police department plays out, the legal system is playing out too. Gerard Sullivan is set to go before a judge on the criminal charge of DUI later this afternoon. Live at Warwick Police Headquarters with the West Bay Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.